wanna be alone. Breathing in your love or your touch. Oh, that's what I'm.
Okay, g'day, Rudy here. Subscriber question over Yancoal, coal producer. So he's talking about a gap in the share price. And we'll get to that. You can't see it now, but just that's its long-term look. Trades in a bit of a range there. The price of coal peaked in 2022, falling out of bed, and it's stabilising around this figure. But even though the coal price fell over, Yancoal's still holding up. But that's because it's still making quite a healthy profit margin. Its running costs are low, so it's still making profit. It's not as though it's making a loss or it's trying to find coal. It's producing it. Has a history sort of paying juicy fat dividends around 10%, which makes it a good income play. An interesting one, really. So if we just drop down to a daily, so it's making money. It's not as though it's losing money. So it's not like a punt on a spec stock who's trying to find a big hit. So here we've had some pretty big gap downs recently. Just did pay a big fat dividend, which could have probably attributed a lot to that bounce. But the last gap, it basically filled it. So his theory is it'll probably get filled again, and that's probably not a bad theory. Because, as I said, it's still making money. They were talking about trying to maybe purchase some other coal assets. So, they're not worried about the cash flow. Some shareholders, I think, just want to see that 10% coming out. The PE's low, about 4 or 5. So it's cheap. And based on history, why not? Why not have a go now? I mean, you could put a stop. Put a stop under $5, under the round number 5. You can target $6 again. So that's 5. It's one of 20%. And then worry about what they're going to do with the dividend. Interesting story. Thanks for the question, but I reckon that's worth a punt. Thanks, mate.
Never waste my time. You are